This video will show you how to get full marks when it comes to structuring your bibliography. A few things to consider is that you need to use reputable sources. So avoid using Wikipedia for an academic report. The next thing to consider is that you want to use a variety of sources. And lastly, structure it properly. One way you can go about creating your bibliography is using a referencing generator. So if we take, for example, the Year 7 textbook, the history textbook, retroactive one, and we wanted to reference this, all you need to do is find the ISBN number, which is here. We would then go to our referencing generator and enter this number into the search, just making a few adjustments. And then the details for our textbook should show up. And should do the same thing for nearly any textbook that you use. We need to make a few adjustments here as well. You need to present the author's surname first, followed by the initial of their first name. So we'll just go ahead and do this. The next step is to fill out the edition. Now, I couldn't find an edition for this textbook, so I'm going to assume that the edition is the first edition, and in that case you just leave this box blank. The next is the place of publication, and you'll find that here. So it's Milton, Queensland. And once I've completed all the information for this textbook, I just click on Generate Reference, and it will generate my reference down the bottom here. Now let's say I wanted to reference a website. If we go to history.com, we can find some information here on Tutankhamun. And on the left hand side here, it also has some site details which we can use as well. So we go back to our referencing generator, we click on website, and the author is going to be history.com staff. The year the web page was last updated was 2009. Now in some cases it may be difficult to find when a web page was last updated. For instance, if we go to this BBC website, we can't find the latest day it was updated. So you can scroll down the bottom here and use the copyright year. Just make sure you place a C in front of that year. Next is the title. So if we look here, we'll just use Tutankhamun as the title. The website will be where the source is available at, and the access date will be the day that you have last accessed the website. Again, once that is done, you click on Generate Reference. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to reference a video from YouTube. So if I just clear this form here, we'll use the same tab here, the website tab, and the author is going to be the person that published the video. So we say that it is BBC. We'll go for this date as when it was last updated. So October 21, 2014. The title is the title of the video itself. Again, the website address will be where it is available at. And the month, or the day, sorry, that you've accessed this will be the access date. And we'll click on Generate Reference. So let's say that this is the websites and sources that I've used for my assessment task. what I can do is click on Create Sorted List, and it will generate this list for me in the format that I need to present for my bibliography. So what I'll do is I'll open up a Word document, I'll paste this information here, just make sure it's in the same font and same size, and I will leave a space between sources.